Hey guys, let me show you a quick unboxing of the Redmi Pad Pro from the European distribution, and also I'm going to show you all of these accessories. So first, let's quickly take a look about on the box what kind of the information that you can find here. So we've got 120 Hz display, HyperOS, Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, and the 10,000 mAh large battery. Okay, so now we have to actually remove this stickers that appears on the box. There we go, the first one and the second one, and we will be inside just after a few seconds. Also on the box we can find information about Dolby Vision, and also right here we got the another specification, and it shows us the quad speakers for immersive stereo sound, and it supports also the 33-watt fast charging, but the power adapter is actually not included, unfortunately. So we've got the first information about the accessories, and I just wonder how I can open it. Okay, we have to actually start from this part, and that's how it looks. There we go. This camera is actually like really big. I mean, this camera frame is like really big, but the sensor is like really small. It looks funny actually. Okay, so first on the reverse, I mean on the bottom of the device, we can find the headphone jack and the USB-C port, the double speakers at the bottom and the double speakers at the top, the power button, the volume buttons, the SIM slot, and that's all. So now we actually going to try to turn it on. Okay, by the way, on this screen there's also selfie camera, but there's no any protection, there's no any foil or stuff like this, so keep it in mind. And now let's see for some accessories right now. So we got the cable. This is the USB-C. Take a look. This is the USB-A into the USB-C cable, and there it is. So here we got the cable, and here we got some user manual, warranty card, and that's all. There's nothing more inside. There's also the SIM slot, but there's no any earphones, no charger, I mean no charging brick and stuff like this. So now we got this welcome screen. Here we go. And now it will be all for this video. If you wonder how to actually make some, if you actually wonder how to make something in this tablet, I will record some tutorials, for example how to reset, if it actually supports wireless charging and stuff like this. So it will be all right now. Please subscribe.